People of the State of Michigan versus Lona Marie Latoski, 2123650. Miss Latoski was set for sentencing today. She had pled to a charge of possession of methamphetamine as a drug double, dismissed another file, and was set for sentencing today. Mr. Gibson is her attorney, and Mr. Gabriel is the prosecutor. Received a report from the Department of Corrections indicating that a phone call was made to the defendant on May 24th to schedule the interview. The woman answered and advised that Ms. Latoski was not available because she was at the store. The woman agreed to give the defendant a message to call back to set up an interview as soon as possible. The writer's contact information was provided at that time. She did not return the call as requested. Then another call was made to the defendant on May 26, 2021. This time she answered, and the interview was scheduled for May 27th at 10 o'clock. A Zoom invite was sent to her via text message. The defendant did not appear for her interview on May 27th. The writer received a text message from her that day at 4 p.m. indicating that she was sorry that she missed the interview. She had slept until 1 p.m. and had just realized she missed it. The writer messaged her back advising her the only time left available was for 8 o'clock on May 28th. Another Zoom invite was then sent via text message. Ms. Latoski responded, "Okay, TYSM." The defendant did not appear for her interview on May 28th. It should be noted the writer remained logged in until 9:30. At 9:48, the writer received a text message from Ms. Latoski saying, "I logged on right at 9 and it said that you were in another meeting and it continued until 9:20. And that was because my phone restarted itself. It was updating, so I turned it on and went to check and nothing." The writer responded advising her she was provided with another Zoom invite for today's meeting. A pre-sentence report will not be completed for sentencing. She's not here. Ms. Martin?
I was just going to let the court know that Stacy spoke with Ms. Latoski after the pre-sentence report or the case report was sent to the court and scheduled another interview for Monday the 7th at 1 p.m.
And?
No, this coming Monday.
Oh, well, I wish you wouldn't have done that.
Oh.
I give these dates for a purpose, and I tell them at the time, if you don't get your pre-sentence interview done, you're going to jail. And so I'm all set to send her to jail, but unfortunately the agent gave her an out, so I guess we're bound to give her another date for a sentencing. So give me a date 2 weeks from now, and she can get the report done in a week, and we can be done with it.
This is June 18th.
Well, then June 11th.
We're not here on June 11th.
No, I'm not here on June 11th. Okay, June 18th.
At 2 o'clock?
2:30. There's a lot of cases to be done with.
2:30, I'm sorry.
2:30.
That's fine.
If she doesn't appear Monday for the interview, Ms. Martin, I need you to let us know that, and I'm going to ask that a warrant be prepared.
Will do.
Thank you. Oh,
Thank you.
here's Lona Latoski now.
Oh,
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Okay, I just went through the whole thing with your case. You're late. It was supposed to start at 1 o'clock. It's now 1:10. The supervisor of the Department of Corrections indicates that the agent gave you another date for Monday to show up for your interview. I was prepared to issue a warrant and have you held in jail until we can get this pre-sentence report done, like I told you at the time that you pled. But since the agent already gave you the date, we're going to set it for June 18th
at 2:30.
at 2:30.
Okay.
If you don't appear for that interview on Monday, I'm going to have a warrant issued for your arrest for not cooperating with the preparation of the pre-sentence report. I read through the whole letter from the Department of Corrections of all the times they tried to set this up with you. And again, when court starts at 1, you show up before 1, not at 1:10. So we'll see you in 2 weeks. Make sure